Hey guys, it's me Brian of Mortar and Pastry, and today, gagawa tayo ng burnt bast cheesecake. Very rich and creamy with a very few basic ingredients. Madali lang gawin, kaya naman tara, gawa na tayo. Sa bowl ng ating stand mixer, bit natin yung ating 2 bars or 450 grams ng softened cream cheese. Then, add tayo ng half cup of white sugar and beat again until smooth and creamy. Once dissolved na yung ating sugar and smooth na yung cream cheese, pwede na natin i-add yung ating 4 large eggs one at a time. Once well incorporated na yung ating eggs, pwede na tayong mag-add ng ating 2 teaspoons ng vanilla extract for flavor. Scrape natin yung sides ng ating bowl for even mixing. Add natin yung 1 cup ng ating all-purpose cream and give it a good mix. Lastly, add tayo ng 1/4 teaspoon ng salt and sift in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix it well just until incorporated. Scrape down the sides of the bowl, then prepare na natin yung ating pan for baking. Line natin yung ating 6 inches round pan with parchment paper big enough just to cover the sides and the bottom of our pan. Buhusan natin yung ating cheesecake batter and tap on the counter to release all the air pockets. Bake na natin in a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes. Then reduce the temperature to 160 and bake for another 20 minutes. Cool natin completely and chill before serving, and that's it. Enjoy your homemade burnt bast cheesecake.